All right, so welcome to the 4-day FX Kickstarter program. We are going to be doing this in segments where I'll be teaching you, how I trade, how I look at the markets, the different ways that I look at trading, both in, different trading strategies, different ways of looking at the market. Ideally, what I would hope as an end result um, as you go through this program is that not only do you learn how to trade, you have something that you can put into practice quite easily. Get in touch with me, add me on Facebook, join the club, make sure you are able to, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to guide you through your trading journey, just to make sure that you not only enjoy this trading journey, but you also start making good profits out of it. All right, so this is day one of the 4-day program. Let's get started. Okay, so a quick introduction about myself. I know a lot of you might know me or might be familiar with me already, but my name is Jin. Okay, I'm Jin. I have been trading, I always say I've been trading for many years now. I think I always say 10 years, but it's been more than 10 years now. I started in 2006 with my Masters of Finance. I was trading in the stock markets, in Australian stock markets, and in the FX market. Okay, I started working as an economics and financial consultant. At that time, I had to focus more in the FX market because working hours just didn't allow me to trade in the stock markets too much. I started off, I was quite fortunate to be able to start off with a trading account of 50,000. I know that at this point, a lot of you have to be thinking about what your trading account is going to be, and I'll guide you through that later in the session today. Then in 2012, I started going full-time. I moved back to Singapore and I decided that I was going to be full-time trading. At that point, my trading account was about $200,000. I was trading on a full-time basis. I enjoyed it tremendously, but it was also quite boring, which is also why I started LCMS Traders. This is why we have LCMS Traders course. To date, we have taught about 500 students. I guess that number is going to jump right now. With my personal trading account in 2014 at about 500,000, $500,000. 2018, I started Forex Briefcase. To date, we have about 750 clients globally, with more than $9 million under management at this point. Okay, so that's just a brief overview of what I've been doing, what I've been busy with, what I've been, why I want to try and help you through this whole process. I always say that I speak, I've spoken internationally. This was me in the US, in LA last year when I was sharing with, 2,500 over audience on how I trade, how I teach people to trade, the managed account service of Forex Briefcase, and also the way I teach people and guide them and coach them towards trading better. Okay, and that's what I really hope I can guide you and teach you what to do. I am also one of the top authors on TradingView. Okay, that's my own profile. That's why it says you rock. If you can go find me on TradingView at Jin_LCMS Traders. Every day I upload currency analysis of what I think is going to happen in the markets, where I think likely targets are going to be. So follow me there. You can also join me on LCMS Traders on YouTube. So YouTube, you can join me on LCMS Traders. Every day now we've been doing currency calls. Okay, currency calls every day, guiding you through what I see for individual currency pairs for the day. All right, so we've been doing that, and this is also one of the reasons why we're doing this program, this FX Kickstarter program, is because we've done more than 100 videos of the daily currency call, which is also why now we want to do this to teach you how I look at the markets and how you can do the same thing. Just to let you know, the support you have during this program, after this program, and actually even before this program, is you have the currency call every day at 11 a.m. right? Every day, Monday to Friday at 11 a.m. That's a currency call that you can attend, absolutely free. We've got market analysis that I write, and I've got a team of writers providing you market analysis on forextradingasia.com. So make sure you register for that. That's also absolutely free. We have trade signals. We provide you trade signals on a Telegram group, all right? And that's also absolutely free. We have about, I think it's about on average, about 2 trades a day, 2 very good high probability trades a day on the Telegram channel. And also we have the LCMS Traders Club on Facebook. That is also another private group where you can join. So search for it, LCMS Traders Club on Facebook. You can choose to join that. That is a paid subscription group on Facebook, but we share all the analysis of trade signals. We have coaching sessions, we have analysis sessions, we have one-to-ones, we have trade ideas. You know, it's a sounding board. It's a community where you can use it as a sounding board for your own trading support. All right, so a whole wealth of support structures here, not just tonight, not just now to guide you through this program, but the support structure to guide you through your whole trading journey. All right, so I really do hope that as you go through this program, you use all these support structures to guide you through. Every little bit of help will be beneficial towards your trading journey. That's also why I have created all these structures, support structures, to help you, because I know that it will be beneficial. All right, so with that said, let's get started. All right, today we are going to be looking at a bit of the basics, getting you started, the introduction, and then also the psychology of what you need to do, what you need to think about, setting the foundations. A lot of times, everyone who thinks about trading, you know, you might have some experience and you might think that you can overlook the foundations. At this point, we actually think that if your foundations is not strong enough, you know, everything you add on top of it is just on weak footing. And if it's on weak footing, you're going to crumble. It's not going to be a strong structure, it's going to crumble. So it might be things that you have heard about before today that we go through. It might be things that you think you know and you're not fully focused on it. I would really suggest that, you know, set aside everything else, fully focus on this session. You know, it might be things that you think you already know, but use it as a recap, use it as a relearn, as a review, and then you might pick up little points, bits and pieces here and there that will stand good stead through your trading journey.